my name's Stuart. Welcome to another drone video on Flying Wiener. I'm still in Upper Austria. We've got a small lake here behind me. It reminds me a lot actually of the Quarry Lake, which I've shown before on the channel. I'll leave a link to that at the end. I won't do an outro, it'll just be a short wee flight around. I hope you enjoy this beautiful scenery and the mountains. This, by the way, was awarded the loveliest place in Austria in 2018 and 2019. I hope you enjoy.
Decided not quite to stop the video yet. We're staying on a farm close by to the sea that I showed you, the lake, and we were walking around here. I had to show you this. This is apparently the world's biggest scythe. It's over nearly 5.5 meters long. What I find particularly amusing is the name of it's called Schwanzhammer, which literally translates to tail hammer, which is also funny because Schwanz is a euphemism in German for a man's penis. This was made in 2004, rather unusual, just walking past here to discover it. I wanted to share it with you, as well as a beautiful small waterfall we saw up there from the place that to this day still makes a lot of scythes for the whole world.